it's over. This twisted, toxic thing between us is finally finished. I'm miraculously done being in love with you. I've got a life to start living. And you're not going to be in it.
Darling.
Now, I've got somewhere really important to be, and you have got to get the hell out. Now!
What exactly has got into you?
I don't know. But I think what I've got is something slightly resembling gumption. Thank you. And may I say, so are you.
Did I do my tie okay? I haven't worn one in 15 years.
Perfect.
I like this Hugo boss. He cuts a nice suit. I've got something for you. Forgive me. The last time I had a date, this is what we did.
It's beautiful.
If it's corny, if it's gonna ruin your outfit, you don't have to wear it.
I like corny. I'm looking for corny in my life.
It's a nice line.
It's all those movies.
Okay, let's do it. Let's get this embarrassment over with.